And no fat, you said?
I can't.
No, he's just probably got here last night.
I can't put one of some fireworks.
Nice blue shoulder.
And I have a lot of
The rope
unfollowing
is nice blue and black.
Yes.
And then the bright, a lot of bright
Because I got 2 unfollows.
Females are a lot duller. Then it's no yellow at all. So there's a female ruby crown. Yeah. In the fall, the ruby crowns come first, then the golden. And it's the opposite in the spring. We get more golden first, and then ruby crowns. So.
Oh my God! Someone take a picture quick.
Very tiny bird.
His favorite bird.
6 grams. Yeah, she's
A good chip.
And she's also
South America, Central America.
you have a little wing can get there.
Yep. Well, they fly at night, and everything goes well. They're
Pushed along. Oh, Wilson.
You got it.
Hey!
Wow!
Oh yeah. Well, Mayo Wilson's word with it.
You
Yeah.
are gorgeous.
It's a young male. He's got a nice black crown already.
He does.
Green edgings will wear off by the time he comes back in the spring.
Is that right?
Yeah, on the top of the head. A nice calm one too. It's always nice. Just checks everybody out.
That.
If you see it in the wild, you're going, wow, I had a good day.
Come here. A moat going on there. This is the gray catbird.
Yes.
Does it have the red cap?
Yeah, his eyes are not as red yet.
No,
Not
no,
mature.
young bird thing. Yeah, they change. And the thing is, it's already molting. When we probably banded this, the other tail covers were all fluffy, but now they've already grown in. A nice red color.
Right.
Still got a gape and everything. He's been banded before. He knows what to do. Yeah, he's still got a little gape and it's a brown eye right now.
Okay.
So it's got the tan eye stripe. We've still got the white throat patch. Sometimes you get very, very dull. These guys are just totally tan.
Yeah.
This one's not too bad. He's got a nice white throat. He's still to be yellow on the lures.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
But we sometimes get those nice crisp white ones with the eye lines pure white as well.
Uh-huh.
And we get a lot of these guys, white throated sparrows.
He's not happy.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, Jill. Oh, gosh.
Another tiny one.
Yes. Oh, my goodness. Oh, oh.
He's got, if you look at his cap here, he does have quite a bit of brown that's concealed.
Uh-huh.
So that's a male. It's nice dark brown. Oh, there we go. We got a feather hanging out. So any toes in there. Yeah. But yeah, really good contrast from the head to the back too. It's like that's what they look like in the spring. So it's kind of nice to get them this bright in the fall. Once we get so far, really dull.
Do you think that's him that you saw?
We did.
Now that one, that eye line.
That's what I said.
Stands
Yeah, Jill,
out.
white eye ring.
If it was 3 times that size, it'd be like a Connecticut one. Because that is a very strong. Very good.
I didn't realize they had a bit of.
Yeah, a little bit. Underneath with these guys.
His feet kind of clicks when he.
You can grab a hold, yeah.
Which type is he? Nashville?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a bit bigger. It's almost as bright as in Connecticut. But if you look, I don't know if you can show it that much on this one. No, you can't really see it. It's usually yellow, white, yellow, but you see it's almost, you can't really see the white on it. Usually a good white band across the top of the legs.
Right.
But this one's kind of really bright yellow.
He's gorgeous.
That yellow will clean up by the time. Stands out more on the white.
Yes.
Yeah, long tail. We saw a tree that was out there. That, yeah, really long. Isn't it? If we have a big fallout in October with these and flushes, this will be how much it's going to be. I went through a sparrow. underneath, but
Yeah.
got a bit of that juicy stuff still going on.
Uh-huh.
All right, on his way.